Hey guys, it's Dane with DynastyBreaks.com. It's the 13th of December, 2021. We're busting 9 boxes of Triple Threads Baseball 2021 from Topps. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel. This is a case equivalent. We had some loose boxes. Thought we'd get, there's 9 in a case. Thought, let's do 9 loose boxes. Let's have some fun. Let's read off your teams over in our spreadsheet. Eric with the Dodgers, top name on our list. You are going to our free break on January 5th. It's called the Dynasty Breaks Hits of the Holidays. One person from every break we do in December is getting into our Christmas gift break, and you're guaranteed to get a hit. You guys read about that on our website. Here's all the names so far. We're going to fill up several of these columns, and we're just going to give a bunch of stuff away. Again, read the details, and we'll read off your teams. Eric with the Dodgers, Chris with the Mets, James McGee, Red Sox, Iceberg, Angels, Chris, Mac, Phillies, M-Hole with Cardinals, Aaron, row your boat, gently down the Twins, Payson with the Braves, Mitchell, D-backs and Marlins, Joshua, Mariners, Eric, Yankees, Ken, Giants, Brewers, Cathal, welcome back with the Reds, Walter with the Cubs, John Wee, Royals in Cleveland, John Vinn, Pirates, Jared with the Rangers, Iceberg, Padres, El Rey, son of Molly with the White Sox, Jared A's, Eric with the Astros, Josh, Nationals, The Jacob Show, Orioles, John with the Blue Jays, Tigers, Rays, and Rockies. All cards ship in this break, no Hills credit. Not much, Chris. Ken Griffey Jr. on the box, I like that. I'm a fan of that. Big fan of that. Oh yeah, here's the bottom. Dynasty tradition. Gotta show the bottom first. You ever show the bottom first, George?
Rarely.
Just at the doctor, maybe?
Yeah, I try to avoid that if possible.
Yeah, don't do that in the waiting room. It's awkward.
Fortunately, there's always new tests for things, and they can change the way they detect things.
I was just a joke.
Yeah, well, it's not a joke.
That was just a joke. I didn't really really want to talk about
That's okay. I'm just
medical
telling you,
invasion procedures.
you can be glad you missed out on that wonderful thing.
It was just comedy.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I know.
It wasn't. It was never any fun.
It was just comedy.
For nobody.
Ooh, we have a redemption. Yeah, it was just a joke, George. All right. Autograph relic card, amber parallel, Aaron Judge, Yankees, ba-boom. Starting off with a Judge. There you go, Eric. S-U-S. Good night. That's how you start. Aaron Judge. All right, and we've got a jumbo jersey, Sixto Sanchez going to the Miami Marlins. There you go, Marlins.
D-backs and Marlins and Mitchell Mack.
Mitchell Mac and Cheese. It's numbered to 36. Bobby Dalbec to 259. Ozzy, the Wizard, to 299. Can they call you the Wizard, or is it the Wizard?
Me?
Yeah.
I don't know of what you speak.
Oh, okay. Carlos Correa, tall at shortstop. I love that. That's cool. I've never seen an at symbol on these. That's awesome. 3 of 27. Astros. There you go, Houston. Tall at shortstop.
Eric, S-U-S.
Well, it's Eric's break, isn't it?
So far.
Yankees and Astros. And the holiday spot.
Well.
Must be nice. Tristan McKenzie autograph. That is Cleveland. Nice rookie there to 199. Cleveland part of a combo.
Royals in Cleveland and John Wee.
All the way home. All right, low numbered blue parallel to 25. Clayton Kershaw going to the Dodgers. Nice one there. Low numbered Kershaw. Joey Votto to 150. Aqua Velva. Box 2. I love triple threads. Some of the coolest stuff we have on the Hits app from Triple Threads. Guys, check out the Hits app on sportscardinvestor.com. Make sure you download that. Very cool app showing all the biggest hits from the biggest breakers out there, and we're on there. Check it out. All right, Mark McGwire. There will be NFTs that will be up for sale soon. All right, we've got lefty offense, Anthony Rizzo. That is going to the Cubs. Still in the Cubs there. Chicago.
Walter.
Our guy. 11 of 18. Cubbies. And we've got Mike Soroka, patch autograph to 99 for the Braves. Hot Atlanta. There you go, Payson. 88 of 99. Our parallels to 299. Ha-Seong Kim and Fernando Tatis. Fernando to 125. Magenta. Go Padres. Nice rookie here. Ryan Mountcastle. Rookie patch autograph. Triple jersey to 75. That is a purple. Baltimore and Jacob. Good, Jacob. Single jumbo relic, Jose Barrios, 2 of 9. Scarce card for the Twins. That is the gold parallel. Minnesota. Minnesota and Aaron. Aaron from Minnesota. Quite the salesman. I don't want to be quite the salesman. No. Reggie Jackson, George Brett, 199 and 299. George is already big time. Joel.
Big.
He just forgot he's big time. Right, George?
Big around the middle.
Like the Earth.
It's
not as big around the top.
Yeah, that's what I think. I look like the Earth.
Wow. You're majestic.
I'm a ball.
Well, everyone wants to see the Earth. In all its glory.
They don't want to see me.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Joel wants to.
No, Joel doesn't want to.
He said don't forget him.
I know.
Would you like to see George, Joel?
No.
You're not Joel. You're George. George is full of wisdom. Full of something. All right, here we go. Reese, my guy. That is numbered to 18. Philadelphia Phillies. Congrats, Chris McMack. Nice patch card there. Reese Hoskins. Man, I would love to be in the Allen and Ginter set. That is cool. We talked about that in the Breakers Forum. I think Conrad said he wanted to be in there.
Yeah, but you don't. Apparently, you don't get like 10 cards is all he had in there.
Autographs.
Autographs.
They have regular cards too.
Okay. That's still not very many.
10 autos. Dylan Cease, numbered to 50. Chicago White Sox. Green. Rookie patch auto. We go Chicago and El Rey on the board. 450. See, Joel does want to see you, George. In all your splendor. To 259, Honus Wagner. And to 299, Chris Bryant. Base cards.
I don't know why because it's 2 first names, I think.
Rookie patch auto, Tariq Skubal throwing a screwball for the Tigers. Detroit. John W.E.A. Number to 50. You're welcome, Elray.
Also known as John Wee.
And Altuve to 18. Orange patch. Card looks orange too. Houston Astros.
Houston, Eric, S-U-S.
Astros again. Ricky Henderson. This one is numbered to 50. Black parallel going to the Oakland A's. The 150, Jared Kelenic, rookie, Seattle.
Okay, Joel. I got you. I can only call you Joel. I understand. No, I saw your chat. I'll be lucky if I can call you either one of those names.
Are you talking to yourself right now?
No, I'm talking to Joel, Todd, Joel, Joel and Todd and Joel, JT, TJ, JJ, TT. I mean,
Ozzie Smith, Clayton Kershaw, Whit Merrifield. All right, we got, nice one here. That is Yadi Molina, 18 of 18. What does it say?
Waino.
Waino and Yadi. We know Yadi. I think it says we know Yadi. Way, I know, and Yadi. Way, I know, and Yadi. You always got to decode these things. There you go. St. Louis Cardinals. Big card. M-hole.
M-hole.
Jeez. Hey. That Chase Young was cool, man. I don't remember getting a lot of Chase Young out of contenders. Carlos Correa, Astros. 2 of 18. Another Houston card. Third one for Eric. All I know is Yachty. Me and Yachty. All way I know Yachty. Did you get the Astros?
I did.
Are you staring at that card?
I'm trying to figure out what it says.
Way I know Yachty. The $2.99.
I'm pretty sure that's not it.
Ha-Seong Kim. We know Yachty. We know Yachty. $2.59. Lindor for the Mets. All right, we've got triple jersey, Verdugo, Devers, Xander, Red Sox. That is numbered to 27, Boston. Congrats. It's going to be James McGee. 19 of 27. And we've got patch autograph Josh Hader. Don't be a hater, George. Going to the Brewers, 24 of 75. Josh Hader.
Ken, AKE.
We would know Yachty. Javi Baez to 99 Cubs. Gold. DeGrom to 125 Mets. Yeah, I had a good contenders break. Looking forward to Wednesday. That was a solid group of boxes there. Let's see a Griffey indeed. All right, 3 base cards. Some sort of booger. All right.
That's great.
Joey Bart, rookie patch auto, 89 of 99, going to the Giants. There you go, San Francisco.
Ken, AKE.
Well, I didn't want it to get on the cards.
Yeah, we're going to go a long way with that kind of talk.
What? Your confusion?
No, it's some kind of booger.
It was a booger.
It was. Well, not for me.
It was a card booger. No, yours will get caught in your beard. All right, we've got Walker Buehler, 4/48. Always number your cards to 48, kids. There you go, Dodgers and Eric. How many Griffey autos do I have on my PC? I think I have 2. I think I definitely have 2. Don't quote me on that. I think I have 2.
I definitely.
It's possible I have 2. Pretty sure I have 2. Nelson Cruz /150. And speaking of Griffey, to 259 parallel Mariners. I may have traded one. I may have won. The number's changing by the minute. All right, we've got lefty offense again. We have 2 of the 18 cards that exist of Anthony Rizzo in green for the Cubs. Walter. 2 of these in this break. That is a bat and jersey relic. Rizzo. Yeah, he's got the best auto in baseball, man. All right, Jeff McNeil, New York Mets. New York Metropolitans, number /99.
Chris Mac.
Patch autograph McNeil. Oh, you're coming to Texas, Westy? What a great place to be. Where at in Texas? Number /75, Nolan Arenado for the Cardinals. Yellow. Joey Votto /150.
I bet you we're the only ones. I mean, like Texans are the only ones that say, "Where at in Texas?" Instead of "Where will you be going?" What city you'll be in? Where at in Texas? Where at you going?
That may be true. New Braunfels by San Antonio.
Nice, between San Antonio and Austin.
Yeah.
Very nice. I think it could be a little north of Austin, but I think it's between San Antonio and Austin.
Oh, that's cool, Dan. Oh, is this a Deca booklet? This thing is gigantic.
Ooh, baby.
It is a booklet. It is not a Deca booklet. That is a regular book. That's cool, Dan. We're going to have another redemption. Whoa, stay up there. I don't know what it is. Can't read it. Ty Cobb. All right, we have base rookie and future phenom autograph relic card Onyx parallels. A black parallel for the Red Sox, Bobby Dalbec. There you go, Boston.
There they are. James McGee.
Second hit for James. Redemption for you. And we've got patch card Aaron Nola for the Phillies. Philadelphia.
Chris Mac.
Second hit for Chris. 48/48. Last one stamped. Shane, don't call me Justin Bieber /299. And my guy Greg Maddux /125 Braves. This is a letter plus relic book card. Letter plus.
Take the letter, Maria.
Look how cool this looks.
I don't even know what it means. Oh, letter plus relic. I got you. What's the letter?
This is going to be Cody Bellinger for the Dodgers. 2/3. Great nameplate. You go Dodgers. No boom for you. Eric.
Yeah, I'm still looking at the... All right. So you got to collect all the letters, right?
Well, you can't. Well, there's only 3, so I don't think it'll spell out Bellinger. But besides that, you could.
No, it's 2 or 3. I'm assuming the card... Oh, you don't think it's 2 or 3 of the card with the N?
No.
You just think there's 3 of those cards. Well, why would you have an N?
Because they had it on the jersey.
That doesn't make any sense at all.
19 of 50. Jordan Alvarez for the Astros. I can't explain this right now. Jordan Alvarez. Houston on fire. 4th hit. Leading the way. This doesn't have to be one of those things where people spell out a last name.
Okay, well, that's what I thought it was. Since they made a point of saying letter and relic.
You thought wrong, Pilgrim. It's a letter.
It's also a relic.
And other relics over there.
Yeah, but I mean, you could just say relic.
It didn't say letter that you can spell out their last name.
No, it didn't. I have to give you that one.
To 199 DeGrom to 259 Altuve. They probably just photobombed him, Larry. They probably just snuck out from behind the bushes and took the picture. My favorite PC card? Oh, I don't know. Single card? I have a favorite set. That's tough, Joel. What's your favorite PC card? Let me ask you some questions. What's your favorite PC card?
What kind of ice cream you eating?
No, that's Westy.
I know.
I already asked that earlier.
I know that. I'm asking Joel.
He's not eating
Todd.
ice cream.
He might be. You don't think he's ever eaten ice cream?
He's not right now.
He might be.
He did try to give them away. There you go. He tried to move those, was it the Dodgers? All right, here we go. Oh, this is pretty card. 1 of 9. Graceful Cycle. Mark Grace. You ever have a graceful cycle, George? There you go, Cubs. Love that. Jersey Bat Relic Auto. Gold.
Walter.
There you go, Walter. A graceful cycle. Jumbo Relic. Miguel Cabrera going to the Tigers. There you go, Detroit. Orange cream. He's eating orange cream.
See? Told you.
Orange cream?
It's a type of ice cream.
Orange cream.
Like,
that's what it says on the box.
Like a creamsicle.
But it doesn't say orange cream on the box.
I don't know.
They wouldn't sell any. Orange cream.
It's probably more like a tub, not a box.
Albert Pujols and Darryl Strawberry. That is Dodgers and Mets. Orange cream. Are you serious on this? What do we got here? Ooh, another Judge. We already pulled an autograph redemption. 1 of 9 October results. Yankees. Second Aaron Judge hit for Eric. And we've got a Brady Singer to 99 for the Royals. Kansas City. Orange cream is on the box.
There you go.
There you go, Westy. A lot of information. Kansas City Royals.
John W.
Royals and Cleveland combo. Brady Singer. Oh, nice Tatis to 25. Low numbered blue parallel. That is 23 of 25. Help me out, guys. I believe that's a jersey number. 23 of 25 on Tatis. Nothing wrong with that. Here you go, Padres. Jacob deGrom to 150. Congrats. That was Iceberg. Hey. Slicing my hand off here. Slicing stuff off here.
You shouldn't do that. It's not good for you.
Don't tell me what to do. Orange cream.
See, Wesley's got that flavor in the freezer also.
Well, that orange cream
You were just so sure.
selling like hotcakes.
It doesn't exist. I bet you it tastes great.
Go for a bowl of orange cream, guys. Orange cream. You never know, Skeeter. It could be good for business. It would make some of the cards one-on-ones. One-on-ones. One-on-ones aplenty. It'd be on the backdrop. We'd look tough. All right, we've got a DV Garcia for the Yankees. Triple patch auto, 15 of 99, New York.
Eric.
Congrats, Mr. Eric Garcia. And single jumbo relic, Luis Severino, back-to-back Yankees, number to 36.
Eric.
Could be blood. Yeah, it would be on video that it is blood. That would do a lot for the value, I think. Number to 50, Willie Mays, Jordan Alvarez. Low number to Willie Mays. That is going to the Giants. San Francisco. And DeHapa. Bryce Harper. 2 innings, 2 homers. Dope. 30 of 36. Phillies. Philadelphia. 3rd hit. Chris Mac. Nice Harper. 94 MJ Finest Refractor. I love that card. I have that. I have that off to grading right now. I love that card, man. That's a good choice. All right, we've got an Ian Anderson to 99 for the Braves. Atlanta. Hot Atlanta once again. Payson. Ricky Henderson to 259. Vlad to 299. Last box. Good luck. Autographed jerseys up next. We'll need just a few minutes, guys, to get ready for that. Probably take about a 10-minute break after this. It is random divisions. Mine has the coating on it. I think they should have the coating on it. I've read a lot of articles on that, on the old Finest cards. A lot of people say it wasn't meant to stay on there. Like, they expected you to peel it, like it could discolor the card. Some of the cards have greening. They're starting to turn green. I don't believe that, because some of the old Topps Chrome cards are turning green, and they don't have a film on them. So I think it's just how they used to produce them. Yeah, I like it as it came out of the pack. There's always a premium for those, but they don't grade as well. Because if the coating has bubbles on it or anything, they mark you for that. Daz Cameron, Detroit Tigers, 9 of 50. Tigers again. Rookie patch auto.
John Wee.
Wee. Yeah, mine have the coating, which I will tell you, you're just not going to find a high grade if it has the coating. It's really hard to do. Leody Taveras, 7 of 9. Gold. Leody Taveras. Texas Rangers coming to the party. There you go, Jared. Jared ALS. Leody Taveras. Cal Ripken to 125. Orioles. Bregman to 150. Luke Voigt, 3-run homer ×2. I feel like that should have a boom behind it. I don't know why. 3-run homer ×2.
Sorry. Kind of spoiled the effect, didn't it?
Something ain't right with that boy. Over here. That boy just ain't right. 28 of 36. Yankees. 5th hit leading the way for Eric. And we've got Akil Baddoo for the Tigers. Tigers heating up here at the end. 57 of 75. Rookie autograph purple.
John Wee.
Ha-Seong Kim to 150, and Ha-Seong Kim to 199. Working on the rainbow. We got several of his parallels. All right, guys, that was Triple Threads. We will do another, it'll be a sealed case next time. Got one of those on order. So we will be doing this break again. Give us about 10 minutes. Give us a thumbs up. Click the thumbs up button. Subscribe to our channel on YouTube. You can use the Dynasty Breaks fans logo if you're on YouTube. It is on the bottom right corner. And we got football jerseys up next. We're going to get ready for that. We'll be right back.